A lot of homeowners ask us the same question. Is 6 circuits or 10 circuit transfer switch still enough? And honestly, those systems were designed for a time when homes simply had fewer dedicated circuits. But today, homeowners are adding more circuits than ever before. Whether it's home offices, modern kitchen appliances, security systems, mini-split HVAC units, internet equipment, or EV charging, more and more circuits are being added to homes every year. And that means homeowners need more backup capacity than ever before. And that's exactly why we introduced our 12-circuit transfer switch, available in both 30 amp and 50 amp models. The goal is simple: give homeowners more flexibility, more coverage, and more room for future expansion, without needing to redesign or upgrade the entire electrical system later. Let's break it down. Traditional 6-circuit transfer switches were designed to power only the absolute basics. The 10-circuit systems became more common as homeowners started adding more dedicated breakers throughout the home. But today, even 10 circuits is starting to feel limiting. With 12 circuits, homeowners gain additional flexibility for things like home offices, security systems, additional kitchen appliances, mini-split or small HVAC systems, and internet communication equipment. And during an outage, those extra circuits can make a huge difference in day-to-day comfort. Because remember, a transfer switch only powers the circuits that are connected to it. Everything else stays off. That's why we believe 12 circuits is becoming the new residential standard, not only because homes are bigger, but because homeowners today simply rely on more dedicated circuits than ever before, and that number keeps growing. So when you compare 6, 10, and 12 circuit systems, you're really looking at how power backup needs have evolved over time. And 12 circuits gives homeowners the flexibility to power the circuits that matter the most, today and into the future. 12 circuits isn't an upgrade, it's the new standard.